am a Jamaican. You can't tell me Michael Jackson bigger than Bob Marley. I am a Jamaican.
Have you been a Rasta?
Well, I've been a Rasta from ever since, you know. But it's not how long I've been a Rasta, it's how long it takes you to grow up. Because what he is what he is. From the beginning to the end, you can never change.
Alright, yes, so welcome again, viewers and subscribers. Morning, evening, night, whenever you check in as usual. Yeah, man, you're tuned to Ryan Media TV. And if you're first tuned to this channel, please click the subscribe link, click the bell to be notified for any brand new video from this channel. Yeah, man. So big up to all the regular viewers and big up to the first time viewers as well. Because you don't know, we can't left a note from the tune in. Yeah, man, so big discussion this morning. Yeah, man, is Bob Marley bigger than Michael Jackson? Or as Busy say, as a Jamaican, nobody can tell you no otherwise. Make me know, left in the comment in the comment section whether you're a Jamaican or not. Yeah, man, is Bob Marley bigger than Michael Jackson? Who you feel have more influence on the world or who you feel is more popular certain way? You see me? Yeah, man. But differently thing, we come to talk about Busy Signal. You see that brother, yeah? Yo, from me know myself, I listen to dancehall. Busy Signal are one of the most versatile and Busy Signal are one of the most creative artists me ever come across. Yeah, man, we come to talk about this too. And Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel a speak out because viewers, them burn down Vybz Kartel lawyer office with file, but Vybz Kartel a make them know, say, yo, see the post of Vybz Kartel make, we're not telling a lie. Vybz Kartel a make them know, say, yo, files depend iCloud right now or hard drive, so we can't stop him from come out of prison. Yeah, man. And we have to jump in at this to viewers and subscribers because this thing happened from last week, Thursday, and this just a forward out. We wonder what really are going on. Yeah, man, we're jumping in that one instead.
Jamaican. I am a Jamaican. Of course, if you tell me the cost, me go ball on the price.
So I say I need to culture represent for Ryan Media TV. You see me I say, you don't watch no other TV. You see me I say, I want to you. You see me I say when I watch Ryan TV, you see me. You see me I say when I watch other TV, maybe you don't see me. You see me I say, when I box me no kick down boy, the eagle me use and pick down boy. When I trace me no long tongue boy, 40 caliber people long down. Mother road. Yo, we're looking on yourself here.
I am a Jamaican. Of course, man, one curry or oxtail gravy upon the rice. I am a Jamaican.
I have 5 men.
Alright, you're 5 man.
Yeah.
Yeah, make it the 6 man. Junior, yeah?
Seriously?
Alright,
You
yes,
want to be the
yes,
6?
Yes, man. Trust me.
Trust me?
Tell you, Junior, 23 Rumlin, me live.
How old are you?
Come look for me, eh?
How old are you?
42, 46.
Oh, you are young.
Yeah.
Okay, but you have a children?
Yeah, I have one son. You see,
One son?
Mine one. 14.
No, so it cannot be together.
Yeah, man. And parents.
Look,
yes, there.
I need someone fresh, you know?
Yeah, man, I'm fresh.
I need someone fresh
Look,
like
look.
watermelon.
I'm fresh.
Me fresh?
Look, no. Me not have nobody.
Me no have nobody.
Yeah, I do one.
Hey.
Me I tell you, it's
Me I tell you.
Of course, me ready for marry the fluffy from foreign for me papers. I am a Jamaican. Yeah, of course. Of course.
Yo, viewers, you see that video, yeah? With that yard man, yeah? You don't know. Show us some lyrics from the female, so I have to share this. I'm looking at this and I say, yo, typically Jamaican this, you know, viewers. But when I look at him, the brother look like an Indian, but me I tell you see from your day a yard, whether out of your barn or if you're there for most of your life, trust me, yeah man, you gotta have it too, just like this, yo. The boss not in and no play thing, you know, as much as they say the boss a smile, the boss mean everything him say, and I know that the boss say, you me want, boss say, more fresh. Yeah, but differently still. Busy Signal, yeah man. Busy Signal should about that song and name, of course. And viewers and subscribers. I'm already telling about the artist, creativity, and versatility. And you don't know. Of course, is really about a challenge that's going around right now. Is it a challenge or it's just a trend that's going around right now? Because you don't know. Same like how in the song Busy, I say, I am a Jamaican. If you look up on the TikTok more while, you see people that say, I am a married man, or people that say, yo, I am a black man, and of course them do this. Yeah, man. So I don't know, Busy Signal really bring it in a form of a song. I'm already telling you about Busy Signal creativity and how them man can just turn anything in a masterpiece. Yeah, man. Give Busy Signal any rhythm, man. You see me? It done. Any rhythm. And give him any topic too. I saw Busy Signal stay from me and boy. Busy Signal are one of the old artists them say sing a song and the first letter every word in that song they start with P. Yeah man, if you don't believe me, check out YouTube, type in Busy Signal P song. You see me? Yeah, man, I remember when me was a little bit a boy, I come up. Busy Signal was one of the first man that me hear on the Pink Panther rhythm. You see me? Yeah, man, and then me realize it did become a trend when people are jump on the Pink Panther rhythm. But different self it was. Busy Signal, as me tell you, me not think the artist creativity outperform Busy Signal creativity. And Busy Signal now watch your face. It's not a youth where through the crowd I run with the chopping right now. You might run go back the chopping side. No. Them youth are still a give you good music. Music where everybody can relate to see me. You see me? And that me rate with Busy Signal. You would never hear Busy Signal really sing certain type of songs. As much as how him versatile and can do it. Yeah man, big up Busy Signal viewers. So, differently, me have that video here with Tommy Lee. Yeah, man, him a talk about the same thing we're going with Vybz Kartel recently and Vybz Kartel Afro come a road. Yeah, man, me have that video where me go share with you. But differently from that, as you hear me share a story with Vybz Kartel lawyer office got burned down in downtown Kingston. What really shocked me is that this fire, yeah man, this burning that took place, it happened from last week, Thursday, viewers and subscribers. See it here in the report, it said, an office building shared by at least several attorneys on New Street, downtown Kingston, which hosts documents crucial at least to 2 high-profile court cases, yeah man, including Vybz Kartel, and I think the another case is Tesha Miller as well. Yeah man, as you can see them and tell us here last week, Thursday, this happened. But yesterday the news break.
Something alright? Something alright, yeah.
Me I wonder what really are going on. Yeah man, it look like something something different in still viewers because when you don't know. Big fire like that to burn down couple our biggest lawyer them office and it just made the news from last week Thursday. And that fire they just atmosphere. What could I really go on? You get me? Me there think I may say you wonder if them did try do that to see if them can sabotage Vybz Kartel case. As in them don't want him to come road. Me no know what to really think viewers and subscribers. May I be honest with you about. Me see Vybz Kartel share this as me say. And he must say yo them burn down him lawyer place. But he must say yo files are stored on iCloud right now. You don't know iPhone how to work. Yeah man, that are the iCloud settings. And you don't know, yeah man, files safe on computer hard drive and them thing there. But differently still me have the video with Tammy Sparta. I talk up to about the situation. Yeah man, so you can take in this too. Yeah man, but big up on yourself. It's the first tune to this channel. If you haven't liked this video as yet, please to like this video. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please to do so, viewers. Yeah man, big up on yourself, you know. Follow me also on the IG, Ryan Need.
Well, me ego. I realize the man can anything you do have a feelings to bring calm, you see it. You have to just blank nowadays, youth. You see me? I don't get too emotional, you see it. Guys are man every day. Yeah. When if you Gaza there'll be no Sparta and not unruly, you know. Yeah. Yeah. You even if it could have even if it would have come it would have take a while, you know. Gaza make it easy, you see it. Cartel make it easy. Free your boss every day, man. And you know chatting about no free your boss, your boss have for free. Yeah. And you just go pray and make it come to reality. You have for free. Yeah. Anything you king and the queen say Allah, left a fucker. And there's no fucker. A long time my dog there in the side have come a road now, but I'm buckler. Yeah, I say you know I feel enough for them far from the woman and the pitney them and the family, you know. Or the them youth. If you come up on Buckle Road, you know, a long time man, I hold it before me I got jail. I got jail and prison and come back and left Earl Boss at prison. You mad man. Come on, Buckle, yeah, thing, pitney them youth. That you know, burn me more and just got the feeling that you know say that feel or the feeling they are prison right now, you know, bro. You don't even know. The road, Bumbuckler. I didn't say about bad word again. Bad word good, don't let me know. Hey, let me know. I'm a friend.
One thought. In our shell, she's a talking. And we are representing for the baddest flag.